We're recording it. You're going to have a federal investigation. Up your duty, fella.
Don't come and threaten me, sir.
No, that's what I do.
Well, then go someplace else and threaten somebody.
Right. Then you can talk
If
to
you want
us.
to come in and
you
meet
can talk
with me,
to us, or you cannot talk at all.
I'm sorry.
That's what you choose.
If you want to come in, your appointment's at 10 o'clock. I'm waiting for you.
We're here.
We've got the office ready for you.
We're here.
You said you want to hear the discovery. We have it ready.
We're here.
They are not welcome
Mr.
to my office.
I told you, I give you permission to speak to my representative.
I understand that, but I'm appointed to represent you and only you, and you are going to be my client on my
Ask him who
terms.
appointed him.
So, yeah, who appointed you to my case? Because I
Judge
didn't.
Tejo. Judge Tejo appointed
Judge
you.
Tejo. Very good. Outside of Ferretta versus California. That's a violation of your rights, MAKURIJA.
Are you coming in or not?
Yes, we're
No, we
going
don't
to
represent-
If you're coming in, I am your representative in this case. That's the way it's going to be, and that's the way it is. If this gentleman wants to represent you, he needs to go get a court order, and I'll be glad to let him in. But short of that, this is attorney-client privilege.
Yes.
Madam, did I tell you I'm tribal?
You may be tribal, but you're charged with U.S. Virgin Islands law violations, and that's what I'm dealing with.
You're not being effective with.
Okay. If you want to come in, you can come in. Otherwise, I won't have to see you. It's entirely up to you. I think you ought to come in and talk to me, since I am your advisor in this case. If you want to take advice with someone else, that's your prerogative.
He has a right to have whomever it is that he chooses within
That
his
is correct.
conference.
That is correct, but not in my conference.
Oh, and your conference is different. Very good. Mr. President of the bar.
Sir, I find you're going to be disruptive, and that's not what I'm here for. You've already threatened me already, so
Yes.
that's not coming in.
Yes.
If you want to come in, you come on in. Short of that, I guess that we can't be.
Okay, she didn't threaten you. She'd like to come in and record.
I'm only seeing the client. This is a client conference, period.
So we'd like to see you, period. So if you want to deny him his right under due process, you go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. Because we have you on film denying his right to speak with counsel.
No, he is not being denied his right
You
to
are
speak with
denying
counsel.
his right to
I am
speak with
denying
counsel.
your request to join him. So let's be fair.
Oh,
Let's
we're
be
being
fair.
fair.
All right. You gonna come in or not?
Before you come in, I told you I give you permission to speak to my chief.
I understand you gave permission, but I haven't consented. It's a two-way street. Okay? I'm not speaking in front of an audience. You and I are welcome
May I
to
ask
talk.
why?
If you want to go talk with them afterwards, that's your prerogative.
May I ask why?
Because you are the client. I am seeing with
Federal
you. I'm not
law,
looking for
federal law
interference.
provides that Indians have the right to have whomever in counsel that they choose at any time. Federal law. Now, if you want to avoid federal law, you can do that. That's called ineffectiveness. You're not the first one that I've had removed. I've had 3 judges removed. So you are violating his rights, and I'm warning you that you're violating his rights. You can go right ahead. Deny him entry because he's with his tribal council.
I am. This is my tribal council.
Basically. But this is not a tribal case.
So as long as he's an indigenous man, this is an indigenous matter. Because his rights cannot be abrogated by you or anyone else.
I'm not trying to abrogate his rights. I am his counsel, and I'm prepared to represent him zealously.
He's an
without the
Indian
interference
who
from
does.
you.
He's an Indian who does not understand the things that you are saying. So he has his tribal council
Well, then
that
you need to get
understands
permission
the
from the
things.
court to join the case.
No,
That's
you
not-
should.
I'm
You
giving
should.
you permission.
request.
No, it's not for me to do. I am basically appointed by the court to represent you and only you. Now, if you want to consult with tribal counsel, that's your prerogative. I'm not going to get
Why
in the way
don't
of
you
it.
have the conversation with him right here, and we'll step back, and you can have those
I'm coming into
conversations.
your office. This is all I'm going to say. If you want to come in, we'll meet. If you don't, that's the end of the meeting.
Not without my.
Okay,
my
then that's
counsel.
it. I'm sorry. Have a good day.
Let's keep moving. Trust me on this. Let's keep moving.